Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to organize Gmail with multiple inbox sections. Alright guys, go ahead and launch the desktop application, right? So you can just open it up in the browser, and then guys look up at the very top right corner of your screen, then click on settings, and then go to all settings. And across the top navigation category bar, select inbox tab, this one third. Open the drop down menu and change it from default to multiple inboxes. Right here, multiple inboxes, like this. And the moment you click that, a brand new configuration grid will open up. And this is where we build our custom sections using standard Gmail search operators. So for example, for section 1, under the search, you can, for example, type is start. It's already typed in, good. Then you can just, for example, type is unread. Or in the section 3, you just type in is, 2 dots, and then start. Like this, and you can add as many as you wish. And once the search rules are filled out, we need to choose how they sit on your screen. So you just scroll down to the multiple inbox position, parameters, and you can choose to stack them above the inbox, below, or select right of the inbox. That is it, guys. The maximum page size is 9 or 10 conversations per section. Keep that in mind. Enjoy this one, guys, as always, and see you soon.